Hello everyone, back and show you another kit. Also it's a teddy bear, yeah, who missed out the clip bag in the previous video. So I found these 3 little tiny purse, coin purse, clip bag purse, and I make in a small kit, and also using this teddy bear image, but only the after the head. I stuff it with the fiber, so you can just make this cute little purse. And I also include this. If you want, you can cover this. Okay, cover this and alter your purse here. So super cute. And also include also some of these: imagine, joyful, story, sweet, great, and this one is precious. Okay, so you can cut it up, and also include some slim lace for you to alter this one. And the tiny zigzag trim, and also this eyelet lace, and also this very pale pink lace trim, and also a packet of this little tiny flower. Okay, and embroidery, different different color, so you can alter this. Okay, you got many here, in different color. And yeah, of course I will include something inside the purse, and you can cut this out, and with the mini toilet, and also with the so you can make a very tiny mini book inside the purse. And also print out this and layer with the felt, and underneath I didn't layer yet. See, maybe if you like, you also can layer with the doily, like so. So I just leave it like so. Okay, and if you want, you like so. This is, and another one, and I cut out the dress, so you can alter with this, and you can dress up with the lace. Okay, another in green, and both sides also. Here also I haven't glue yet. I just leave it, so see what you want to do with it. And another one with the flower, this one, and also another layer of this. Okay, so you get 3 of these, and another one of this, and this one with the dress, so you can first color it out and alter it. Okay, so I also print 5 of these. In the small size here, so you can this one to alter is not the page here. Okay, so yeah, this is the, let me to show you the color. So you got this teeny tiny book here, this one, and the wood thing. So I put inside the purse. Okay, then this one, let me see, how come this good? Yeah, maybe got to, I'm not sure. Okay, I put in here first. This fabric is a fabric. This color only have one. Okay, and the blue one I have two. Okay, so yeah, you place the order under the picture, then the color you choose. Okay, all the items will be the same. The only things is different is just the purse. Okay, so the blue and this. Okay, so yeah, they only have five. Not five. It's three kit. So if you're interested, it's just you have to hurry. Cost only limited quantity. So yeah, that's it. All this is the item. All the item will be the same, but so you can grab this with the tiny book like so. Okay, so I will post. So if you like this color, so you have to place the order, leave your comment under the pictures of this. Okay, with the blue, so you leave the comments under the blue. Only have three kits. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And just like usual, just please take your time to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this cute little kit. And if you like this kit, just give me a big thumbs up. And I love this image so much, and thank you so much for creating this. I will put her link below the description box. So if you're interested to buy this digital image, you have to stop by to her shop. Okay, thank you so much, and bye bye.